Welcome to our channel. Today is an exciting day in the field of astronomy, as we unveil the images from the Euclid Space Telescope that scientists have been waiting for over a decade. Yes, you heard it right. After 12 years of anticipation, the universe is finally revealing some of its best-kept secrets. The Euclid mission, funded by the European Space Agency, was launched to explore dark energy and dark matter, two of the most enigmatic components of our universe. With groundbreaking technology, this telescope is set to change everything we know about the cosmos. But wait, what can we expect from these long-awaited images? From capturing the distribution of galaxies to revealing the structure of the cosmic web, the Euclid telescope's mission is nothing short of revolutionary. Think about it. Mapping billions of galaxies provides us with unique insights into how our universe functions. The Euclid telescope not only offers stunning visuals, but also crucial data that could lead to new theories in cosmology. As we embark on this journey together to explore Euclid's images, remember that these visuals symbolize over 12 years of innovation, teamwork, and sheer willpower from the scientific community. Have you ever wondered how dark matter and dark energy influence the universe? The images from the Euclid telescope hold the keys to unraveling these cosmic mysteries. Join me as we dive into the significance of these telescope images and how they provide answers to questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. Each image we see is an opportunity for discussion, hypothesis, and even inspiration for future discoveries in astrophysics. As scientists analyze these stunning captures from the Euclid telescope, we await their insights with bated breath. Imagine the exhilarating feeling of gazing at the very galaxies that have eluded our understanding for so long. If you find yourself as intrigued as I am, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more enlightening content. Let's celebrate this momentous occasion together. The Euclid Space Telescope is not just a feat of engineering. It marks a turning point in the quest for knowledge about our universe. These images embody the passion, dedication, and brilliance of astronomers who've worked tirelessly over the last 12 years. So buckle up as we explore the breathtaking beauty and scientific significance behind each image captured by the Euclid telescope. The universe is waiting, and it's time to unveil its secrets.